Manipur University lupa khayam kasaga pen casely accused villain eina provisionally attached sahir. Haksang resang khawai ningchuk nasanli shuru khui khawai ukrul deputy commissioner na kathong hair. Manipur na state level tobacco free youth campaign 3.0 hapok hair. Leikhayang ator acha Tangkhul Express Pvt about Rinyaophi mahak Ningshen in a pamitale pauping may sign anang rumsa. Manipur University lupa taraka shijinwi kahai penhair. Furniture khaloli ngasunda employees kala contractors na lupa khayam kaza shoka kachi penhair accused with Properties Enforcement Directorate eina provisionally attached sahir. Ishiwui Imphal Sub-Regional Office Nagahang Investigation G Prevention of Money Laundering Act BMLA 2002 Azingli Kasana. Kalaji CBI Imphal Anti-Corruption Branch ACB na FIR Tagasang Witili Karana. FIR Ateshurda Manipur University official K. Basanda Singh, K. Jiban Kumar and Dijendro Singh Kala, hitharan with Vice Chancellor HNK Sermana contractor Laurem Bumd Rameshwar Maiteli Ngashikda University Wilupa Khayam Gaza Penda Khalena. Hangda Khalei contractor he Kairao constituency with MLA Laurem Bumd Rameshwar Maiteli Kahangna. Kala University we miping Jina Lupa Mikashok Chili Laurem Bumd Enterprise Kamina da Hanga. Otpam we pangshap shijin wida official ping Jina may daily mijang sada furniture supply sakavai tender mihawa da hanga. Furniture G University Jiwi International Guest House wuivang nachi. Furniture what your saikorali received atumna falsely certified sada payment saikoru mishok kahaina da hanga. UNI gala Amar Ujala wipao tishuda eina accused wilupa rupees 71 lakhs shikawi immovable properties katum provisionally attached sahir. Atumna lupa kaza fukam kavai sada furniture G University we recreation holy maili chuida hawada makamashung claim saya kajila eina pongshoka. Tender G General Financial Rules GFR Rule 148 li mashurla proper procedures mashurla kaminada report chinahanga. Idi Wiatishuda contractor Chinalupa 64 lakhs 36,502 bills Mikaya Jililang Mida installation fee lupa 9 lakhs 65,476 Boyachi furniture va maleilak mana da hanga. University wuivang Shijinran total lupa 74 lakhs 1,978 illegally mishok hainada ara maramhi Preventions of Money Laundering Act azingli proceeds of crime ngasa hainada hanga. Haksang resang khawai ningjuk khui ka shokli shuru khui khawai katong da rakhara unlock vision ukrul session lizang khawai ukrul deputy commissioner IAS Ashistas na ukrul district we mipingli ngahothaira. Unlock Vision Ukrul brainstorming session kachang hiwi tarik magthang TTA Smart Hall hamlai khongli khwikara dalei. Hortang TTA we angrana nge akhali DC Ashistas na Ukrul district we ruchumnaw bingli kasada Ukrul model jithai khawai movemently shurukhi khawai kathong haira. Ukrul district we mi bingna atum khalada we hakasang regasang model shijin ki kachina kala hiwiwang ningchuk khalei hangsang rokhawai mi saikorali abong mida khokha sada vision ukrul ungshung khawai tc jina kasatsang Ashistas na gahang khu ramwe kankhana ji ramnaw pingna thaida darkar kasaji ayarwi mi pingna maningla ramnaw pingna tuidak khwigi kachina resources mathalak eina leida khalei singkhwida ukrul hi mathalak eina semga paya haksang resang khawai community na khokha sada demand sa phalungra jina ukrul we vision na da tc jina hangsanga Yari kathana ping intellectuals kala stakeholders saikorali ngahota vision ukrul hi kachangkhat ungshung khawai ningchuk ideas khalale hangsang ro khawai tisi jina ngahot haira. Hakasang regasang khui khara hili church nala khamataya otungrut khui khawai laya gaja abam hili church hi influential sami thui gaji institute akanada tisi ashishtas na hangsanga. Hakasang regasang wuivang yarida saikorali diban sagi gajina da tisi jina kasatsanga. Unlock vision ukrul maramli ngasan khawai ukrul deputy commissioner jina yariling hota angranangi chiwi maram ukrul district wi mi gachungali vashu ngasa khawai matailak ena pawmi pingala social media influencer pingli kathongaira. Manipur na state level tobacco free youth campaign 3.0 hopokhaira. Campaign ji aya Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Phalana Raj Bhavan Imphali launch Samia. Campaign ji National Health Mission Manipur na Directorate of Health Services ling shikta National Tobacco Control Program wa jingli kasana. Launch kasa chili kazang miping Governor Nathanta tobacco water mashichin mara kachi twing shit khuihaira. Health Commissioner Sumant Singh Family Welfare kala IPR Directors la wazanga. Department ngata we officers, social welfare, information technology, home kala police we mingnin ping wazanga. Campaign jizimik shot thruk thang ningrin tharukli shurda sara dalei. Ningrin pingji yarili topeko we zakashi sakaze thing sakhawai public awareness maling mera. Tobacco free educational institution compliance mathame shurunga sakra. Tobacco free village khwira khawai sara. Cigarettes and Other Tobacco Products Act 2003 kala Prohibitions of Electronic Cigarettes Act 2019 ji shurunga sakra. Social media engagement kala capacity building mathameng sakra dalei. Campaign hi state with district saikorali sagi kachina. Campaign ji mapung phada sangasa khawai governor na officer bingli jijimida yarwi wi alungli tobacco water shikachin kham khawai kala Kanui totli zakashi hiwi eina ngak mikhavai ningsanglak eina ot kasa kasathaira. China li rungmi gida khalei Miss Friendship International li Tangkhul now Express Shaizana India wi minganin sada wajangra. Chengdu China li rungmi gida khalei Miss Friendship International Beauty Pageant Chili India wi eina 2025 Miss Shiri Lili khuyuiva Express Shaizana wajang khawai ngaran haira. Ngahanji tatraha tarik thrada phanga wena hapokta ngaphei tarik phanga ina dangta rungmira wuivang katomtheilak esmena state we Rinyaophi ling akaw haira maram hi ISPT ngalem Fairylandly Press kazip kapamle kahang kazip chili Miss Shiri Lili 2025 organizing committee with chairman AC Rising kala former Miss Manipur Papa Kachui Zangan India represents Saki the Khalei Ringapha Kala Ningashi Pongshokta International Event Chili Aling Soda Asamui Enela Akavazangra da Esmena Hanga. Angrana Ngeji Ngahanti Vakazang Mang Maningla Ngale Ngada de we alungli Kamashit Kamano Kala Ngashan Ngatsu Kangro Cultural Exchange Apong Sara da Hanga. Manipur Tourism Department official pingna kagatom pongshokta esmena event chili vagazang jina Manipur we shangla kahai ngashan kala tourism potential ji okoti we stately promote samira kachi shitkasang kachi han pongshoka Hangshin the Kare Wildlife Week Kamayon Kupkasang Angrana Ngeli Aya City Convention Center Imphali Kwikahaira Forest Department na makok mida hapta akawi ang ranang yeji human wildlife coexistence kaji tuikuya jingli mayonra kahaina. Kupkwasang ang ranang yeji Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Phala wazanga, Chief Secretary, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, Principal Secretary Forest, Environment and Climate Change kala officials katela wazanga. Burmese python, Bengal slow loris, Myanmar box turtle, kala leopard cats, zangda rescued wild animals kangaja natural habitats li Jihokami Governor Jina remotely released Samia. Wildlife Trust of India ling shikta kasa Manipur Bear Conservation Forest la Governor na launch Sami Haira. flight, fur, and fangs encounters with the wilderness of Manipur forest kaho lairik apora pongmi. NESAC ling shikta semgashok web application forest resources assessment and monitoring system la launch sami haira. Ang ranangi chili wildlife themed painting ngahan khui bingli saman yaumia. Wildlife kawang kakwili shiruk kakwi NGOs, civil society organizations, police personnel kala contributors ka daily felicitate sami haira. Governor Palana kamatwili mikumo ina wildlife pan kangrumwe kan khana maram hanga. State with ecological land, Kabul Lamjau National Park, Sangai Chau kala Kamjong district li Thekhui kahai mafu hikatha wildlife we aman kasak maram hangsanga kaji ID pau sampanga. Kumtara khui tili mafu han khawung hi a message of hope for nature itself. Kangacha dimlon na kami kaji han khalei we chanpau na the governor china hanga. Wildlife habitats ngak na ecological balance lenga saga kaji hangsanga. Manipur hi community driven conservation we model sa khangasak wuivang governor na forest department conservationist kalaram naubingli maya khangai phongshoka khawang gakhui ot shoklak aina sada khalei tamenglong shong amur falcon ngak gakhui angranangi kala community led sangai conservations hikathali maya khangai phongshoka rijum naubing kathana bing long naubingli Kathong da hapta ka kamyon himang maningla wildlife protection majat ngasa khawai kasat sanga. Ang ranangi chili wildlife photography exhibition rungmida Manipur khar ngohongwe khamatha kashang ji namkhuida jithei khami chili governor na maya khangai phongshoka. Meghalaya Chief Minister National People's Party NPP President Conrad K Sangma aya imphali ungjang haira. NPP kathana ji khani thang wuivang ungda Manipur we angret ungyang kala kaponga chingri kahai stability khwira khawai apong khyang na chi sangma ling soda NPP MLAs Sheikh Nourul Hasan Shanti Rameshwar Lokand kala state leader Joy Kumar National General Secretary Organization Pangna Pange National Secretary Saidul Khan kala National People's Youth Front President Nikki Nongkal Atum Unga. Delegation ji aya Imphal Airport li ngashun pung akha tananai li ungjanga. Paume pingli sangmana kahang a khung hi matailak ina local kathana ping community pinginin ping kala stakeholders pingli samphangda ground situation thekhui khawai kasana. Kala stately normalcy promote sa khawai khawung na chi. Tu shot hi kupsang khawai hotnara lei haira kha kapong chingri khawai engagement jungmei tarkar sayada NPP kathana china hangda Manipur stable sa khawai kasali NPP na shuruk ot ngurut khui khangai phongshoka sangmana kahang kapong chingri kahai hi popular kala democratic sarkar ina khwirara kala hi wuivang stakeholders saikorana khokha hotkhana tarkar sayada hanga Manipurli NPP with presence hakasang maramni kangahan tharan sangmana kahang chingri kahai kala normalcy khui khara hina khamatayana election vatkar fuya ya really otram khangathu hina kharena the NPP kathana Conrad K sangmana hanga Manipur Lokayukta we non-judicial member Sakhawai Siddharth Kishore Dev Varmantli kapangsang haira Otbam Jui Ot of Office Aya Darbar Hall Raj Bhavan Li Governor Ajay Kumar Phalana Administered Samiyam. Retired IAS Officer SK Dev Verman Rida Manipur Public Service commissioned with Chairman Sasai swearing in ceremony Chili MLS Awangbao Niumay Ina M. Rameshwar Singh Chief Secretary, Security Advisor, Director General of Police, Advocate General Kala Senior Officials ngadatay da wazanga. Dadluida ajiwi kamataya pauping. Manipur University lupa khayam kasaga pen casely accused Wilan Idina provisionally attached Sahira. Haksang Resang Khawai Ningchuk Nasanli Shuruk Hui Khawai Ukrul Deputy Commissioner na Kathong Haira. Manipur na state level tobacco free youth campaign 3.0 hapok hai Achu pau hiling chang hai pau ngana da khlei ta thum saikorali ringa pha kala kham hai zimik shong sa ser